My name is Nate, and I'm going to be making strawberry cheesecake, and it is going to be dairy-free and refined sugar-free. So we're going to be making the crust now. So measure out, putting 1 cup of cashews. It can be any nut, basically. And also put in a cup of medjool dates. Right, they're all stuck together. There. And now I got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I got a 1/4 teaspoon salt. And you're going to put that in the food processor too. And put a cup of shredded coconut. Oh, and make sure it's not unsweetened. Now I'm putting it in the food processor. Now I got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This is my 2nd tablespoon of coconut oil. Now we're pulsing. Alright, so you're going to keep processing it until it is sticky like this. And now, I really recommend tasting it. So delicious. Now, get a spring form pan with parchment paper on at the bottom. So then dump this in it and flatten it out with a spoon or something. That'll flatten it out. After you're done frying it out, put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to set. So now you're going to soak cashews in water for at least 1 hour. After you've drained your water out of the bowl of cashews, put 2 cups of the cashews in the blender. I'm putting my 2nd cup of cashews in. Now you're going to put in 1/2 cup maple syrup. And the juice from 2 lemons. Now put in 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. So now if you have Young Living lemon, and make sure it's food flavoring. And I know because it has the white label. And so if you do have this oil, put in like 2 drops max in it.
Excellent.
Now blend all of the mixture until it's smooth. texture and taste it. Tastes lemony and cashewy. Delicious. Can't stop eating it. The crust is hardened. You can even feel it if you want. And now you're going to pour the first layer on.
You might need to scoop it out.
Finally. Great. I need to hold it upside down. Now you're going to put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. I'm doing the second layer, and I need 1 cup of the same cashews that we used for the first layer. In the same blender. Now you need 1.5 cups of whole strawberries. This blender. And juice of 1 lemon this time. Now 2 to 4 tablespoons of syrup, maple syrup. Again, blend it into soup. Oh, it smells delicious.
Cool.
Now that this is frozen enough, we can pour the second layer on. Now spread it out. And then freeze it. Put it in the freezer until it's frozen good. So now this has been frozen overnight. Now we're ready to take it out. Now decorate the cheesecake with fresh strawberry slices. Be creative of how you want to decorate it with your strawberries. So I'm making this cake special for my brother because he just graduated from his school.
You happy about your cake, Johan? Retake. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, now I'll cut the cake nice and even for my pieces, okay? Here's my piece. This is my piece here, and this is Nate's piece. There. Fair.
What about
Would you like a
Johan?
piece, Johan?
I think.
You want a piece.
Johan wants a piece. Here, stop. Delicious. Please hit the like button and subscribe to this video.